Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 28 at 60 words per minute. It's a legal dictation, so be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. The proceedings before the speaker continued and the same were not being concluded in terms of the assurances given. The division bench of the High Court directed the speaker to file an affidavit on or before 12th November 2021. Finally, being dissatisfied with the progress of the pending disqualification petitions before the speaker, the division bench took up the letters patent appeals on 2nd December 2021. When directions were given for production of the entire records of the matter pending before the speaker on 10th December 2021, the relevant records of the proceeding before the speaker were submitted to the High Court, which adjourned the matter for further consideration. However, as alleged on behalf of the appellants, the bench was not constituted on 20th December 2021, and without any further hearing or giving an opportunity to the Speaker's Counsel to make submissions on the status report, the High Court proceeded to pronounce its judgment on the latter patent appeals. By its judgment, which has been in these proceedings, the division bench upheld the directions of the learned single judge also. Parachange. However, while disposing of the matter, the division bench stayed the operation of the orders passed by the speaker. It also declared that the 5 MLAs who have filed separate appeals before this court as being unattached members of the assembly with the right to attend the sessions only. It is the aforesaid directions and orders which have resulted in the filing of the several special leave petitions before this court by the Speaker and the 5 concerned MLAs. As a consequence of the order passed by the division bench of the High Court, the 5 independent appellants before us have been prevented from discharging their functions as members of the Haryana Vidhan Sabha even before the disqualification petitions filed against them. The Solicitor General of India contended that this was not a case where the survival of the government depended upon allegiance of the 5 MLAs under consideration, since the government was formed with the support of 7 independent MLAs and 1 MLA from the Bahujan Samaj Party. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.